played this in a while, so.
Yeah,
Bear with me today. Maybe I'll go buy the new one today.
What the hell? What the hell?
I'm gonna punch Mr. Snow.
This might be stupid.
I did it!
Hey!
Give me that shovel! Give it to me! I'm gonna get you.
His face. I know. He's mad. Holy shit.
A lot of snow out here. They already did it over there.
Wow.
It's heavy, but it's cardio. Goodness.
What if I just tape you the entire time shoveling?
I was hoping I jumped. I'm like, I hope the guy was not like a bottle on that sidewalk.